What do you think of Cressi? Keep your arm up nice and strong, okay? Nice and strong. Remember, like this. Yeah, so she can stay. Oh, what happened to the treats? Did you drop them? Mm-hmm. Okay, stay still. Here you go. Open your hand and give it to Cressi. There you go. Good job. Well done. Keep your arm up nice and strong, kiddo. Is Cressi a little heavy? Yeah. You hear that, Cressi? She thinks you're a heifer. Here you go. You want to just give her treats? Oh. Here you go.
What's this?
Okay, I'll give her a treat.
No, maybe.
You can give her a treat too. You can give her more treats? Get the ones you dropped. Oh, you just stepped on it. Down there? Yeah. Can you hand those to her? Hi, Cressi.
Hi, Papa.
This is Cressi.
Hi, Papa. This.
No, this is Cressi.
Hi. Here.
There more? You'd quit stepping on them. There's 2 more. 3 more.
2. 1.
Mm-hmm.
Let me at 2.
You want me to do it?
This.
Should we get Cressi to wave? Yay, Cressi! Do you want to get that 3rd one? Right there? Yep, right there. In front of you by your foot?
This.
Yeah. You want to get it for Cressi?
I like this. Mommy.
You go ahead. You can give it to her.
No, Mama.
You want me to do it? Say bye, Cressi. You want to hold her? One more time. Here, Cressi.
Hi. Hi, Papa.
Cressi.